Ever wondered how to bring your gardening dreams alive, even in a limited space? Container gardening is the answer, offering versatility and flexibility. With its growing popularity, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 innovative trends in container gardening for 2024. Ready to explore the trends that will redefine container gardening in 2024? Here they go. First up, we have self-watering pots. These ingenious devices do exactly as their name suggests, watering your plants automatically, saving you time, and ensuring your plants get the right amount of hydration. Next, we delve into the realm of vertical gardening. This design-savvy approach lets you grow plants upward, maximizing your space and adding an unexpected twist to your green spaces. The third innovation to hit the gardening scene is smart containers with built-in sensors. These do more than just hold your plants. They monitor soil moisture, sunlight, and nutrient levels, taking the guesswork out of gardening. Our fourth trend sees a move towards sustainable materials for pots. Think bamboo, coconut coir, or recycled plastics. Not only do these materials look great, but they also help the environment. Compact composting solutions are the fifth trend on our list. These compact composters turn your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost, perfect for container gardens. Coming in at number 6 are multi-tiered planters. These allow you to plant multiple types of plants in one container, creating a mini ecosystem right in your backyard or balcony. Finally, the 7th trend sees a rise in the use of edible plants in container gardening. From herbs to vegetables, container gardening has never been more delicious. Incorporating these trends into your container gardening practice can truly transform your green space, no matter how limited it is. Excited to try these innovative trends in your garden? Step out, experiment, and share your experiences. Staying current with container gardening trends will keep your green spaces fresh and vibrant. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on gardening. Happy gardening!